Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Palworld game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Palworld game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to customize your controls, go ahead and click on Options. Then within the Options page, go into Controls, and now you can change both your keyboard as well as your joystick buttons. Go into whichever you wish to customize, and now you can click on the various different controls to reassign your desired button. Once you click on the button, you will be prompted to enter your desired new key. Just press your desired new button and it will be assigned right away. You can follow this step and reassign all of the controls within your game. And once you are done, you may press the escape button and choose yes to apply your changes. Now you can continue playing your game with your customized controls right away, and you may change them at any point of time by going back into the control options. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Palworld game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.